So here's a vase I bought at a local supermarket. It's not perfect, not all the sides are absolutely flat, but there is one good side, so that's going to be the side I work on. I chose the design. It's actually made for a roundel. This is a dolphin. I'm going to change it on the hoof. I've put some blue tack on it, make sure I've got the flat side, and just stick it inside so. Push it all up, and there you can see the dolphin design on the inside of the glass. That should hold it roughly, but to make sure it's absolutely solid against the glass, I'm now going to put a towel inside, and that'll push the design right up against the glass. Push it in there firmly. And as you can see, that's moving the design up to the glass. Take that little mark off. Right, now we're ready for outlining. I'm going to use this Fun and Fancy outliner by Marabou. It's black, and normally I would have printed the design a different colour, but as you can see, this design is black. Couple of problems outlining here. One is the thickness of the glass. I'm getting a sort of refraction effect, and the other is the light reflecting off the glass. Normal outlining method, always work towards you pulling the outliner. Try never to push it. Move the object round so you're not working over an area you've already outlined. You might smudge it. And again, so you can pull the outliner towards you. We'll speed this up a bit, otherwise this video will get slightly boring. Be nice if I could outline this fast in real life. Put his eye in there. And now for the waves and the droplets. Now, rather than following the design, I'm going to put an edge around this bottom part of the vase. An edge up that side and edge along the bottom. And there you can see the outline design. Let that dry and it'll be ready for painting. So, the first area I'm going to paint is with white, and I'm going to use this vitriol paint by Pebeo. And I'm going to use this solid brush. I like the solid brushes because they're easy to clean. Now when I paint, I sort of flood fill and just push the paint right up to the outline. See, putting the paint on and pushing it up to the outline. That's all the white done. We'll leave that to dry before we move on to the next colour. Now I'm going to paint the rest of the dolphin in this turquoise blue. Again, the paint's by Pebeo. We'll speed this up. Again, I'm pushing the paint right up to the outline so there's no gaps between the outliner and the paint. If you're watching this video on YouTube rather than glass painting site, if you visit the glass painting site, you'll find details of the paints and outliner used. And there we go, that's the dolphin finished. Now of course we need to leave that to dry. And now I'm ready for the water. I've already, as you can see, filled in some white at the top. Just done that so it's not dry. Now blending slightly, I'm using both green and turquoise blue. Get those 2 drops of water there out of the way. That's the green going in, and just blend it slightly. Now quite a bit of green on the water here as it's a lighter colour. In retrospect, looking at the dolphin, I could have added a bit of clear to that turquoise to make it a bit lighter and a bit more transparent. There's the green added. Now we'll add a little bit of turquoise blue in there. Make sure there's no clear glass left, and then just blend the white down in a little bit. And slow it down and just do the finishing touches. Make sure I'm up to the line all the way and there's no gaps. And that, once it is dried, is the finished vase. That's the picture of the finished vase. I hope you enjoyed watching it being made. And we'll see you shortly in another video.